BNZA, BNZI, kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. What was the news on this one for BNZI? BNZI, the news is executes LOI to acquire top-rated lead generation platform IGLeads. That is what's happening on BNZI, and it is exploding on my private Discord. Another stock that is exploding on my private Discord. Good job, good job, good job. Another stock that is exploding on my private Discord. The other one that is also exploding on the private Discord is this one. Hold on, let me just make sure. Another one that is exploding is IONM. IONM is exploding. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. IONM exploding, exploding, exploding. BNZI exploding, exploding, exploding on my private Discord. Okay, there you go. You are aware and notified with my kaboom, 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 early kaboom, pre-market kaboom. Let's see what happens during the market hours. Will it continue to explode? It should continue to explode, right? It should. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button. My name is Rara Coco. I am a stock hunter 24/7. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.